Mommy.
Me?
Mommy. No.
Nose.
Baby.
Stretch.
Shorty and I call a lift and we dip. I feel like shit get too high in my whip. Watch how little shorty keep reading my lips. Watch how little shorty keep reading my lips. Girl, it's a problem it got on my shoes. I feel like
Good morning, everybody. Good freaking morning. Let's get the day going. I'm tired of being emo this morning. Alright guys, let's get a 6 cinematic. Let's go.
this ain't regular dope, and these bros keep on thinking I live with no hope, and still keep on dissing they pillow to shows, and they pull up with dope that's a note to them clouds, and I swear she keep thinking she popular now. Shorty just lick her, she on a few rounds. Watch how little shorty keep reading my lips. Watch how little shorty come sneak in my crib.
What is it? Not even 10 yet? Crazy day already. Offload some boxes. Get the trailer set up. Trying to find diesel. And I see a pump over there. To be honest, I'm having a shitty day. I'm trying to keep clear-minded so the HQ team doesn't see frustration. Keep them motivated, keep them on track. Okay, bro. Nice. Holy crap, how big is this thing? Nice car. Sounds good. Okay. He impressed me. He sure did. Seriously love meeting car guys. One thing you can share in common is the love for cars no matter what brand, right? Sometimes. Thomas, I bring gifts from Lowe's. What's going on? How black? Nice. It'll dry dark.
Watch how little shorty keep reading my lips. Watch how little shorty keep reading my lips. Girl, it's a problem it got on my sheets. I feel like Goku, I sway in supreme. Watch how little shorty keep reading my lips. Watch how little shorty keep reading my lips.
We're gonna take this tape. We're gonna throw it into that box. We all have 3 tries. That box too big, man. Use that little one. Right? You wanna play? Alright. Let's play. You guys wanna play? You wanna play? This box right here. Shark Boy wanted to use a big one, but I'd rather use a small one.
Y'all don't even know how to play horseshoes.
Ooh, oh, I'm so down.
The idea is you landed on a cone.
I'm so down, dude. We gotta get a horseshoe thingy. Who wants to go first?
That's easy.
Oh, you come first. Get over here.
Wait, that should be easy.
Get over here.
All the time with trash when we throw it in there.
Yeah, shoot like this.
Ooh. Oh, like I'm flicking it?
Flick the wrist.
Like you're flicking your bean?
Huh?
You're flicking your bean?
Woo.
Oh, okay.
Hell easy, huh? Psych.
Damn. I gotta aim
That's just easy. How many push-ups right now? Woo! 30 push-ups, bro.
Oh. Is that a thing?
Oh. Fuck. Oh, damn, this game's hard. Ready, homie?
No.
You ready, homie?
No.
Bro! He was like, no push-ups, no push-ups.
Tired of working out.
Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Woo! Shit, battery's about to die. Go. Ah.
Oh, a jump shot?
That's pretty good for the first one. You got the arc though?
Oh!
I want to do double or nothing. You miss this in there, 60. You make it, you get to watch us.
Oh fuck, it's hot.
Oh, you're fucking done. You're done.
I'm really a 10, dog. God damn it.
We're gonna be one buff ass crew if you guys keep losing. That's a goddamn Subaru. I'm in my American truck. Big old Ram 3500 dolly. Y'all Japanese kids driving them Japanese cars with your big Japanese wing. What's up, dude?
How's it going, man?
So, just a second ago, I was making fun of his car. I was like, goddamn Subaru.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Billy truck, yeah, that's my choice to ride. Always keep some bitches on the side, yeah. Don't stand too close, my diamonds gonna bite.
See ya.
I get drugs for the ride.
Always so cool to meet like random OG fans. Like this guy has been like an OG for a while. It's crazy. It's funny because I just don't think people watch me anymore because I don't make videos as much and I'm like older now and I don't do crazy shit, but it's crazy to see that people still watch. That right there is humbling. And I always want to be respected in a way where I've created good content in the past or in the present, not because I was a fucking dumbass trying to get viral. That's what I like about what we've created together. Us subscribers, us content creators. Basically what I'm trying to say is I ain't trying to be a fuckboy known for fuckboy videos. Sorry for my language. Hey, do you like it, Pansel? You like Vietnamese food.
Like a map with no ocean.
How do you like it, babe? You like noodles, just like your papa? Oh, you like the song? We're watching Enterprise. Oh, you like Star Trek? Crap, guys. Good news. Okay, so I ran to the car. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm also probably just fat. We just got the email from the broker about the building. We got approved. I'm running over to the bank right now to grab a deposit check. If all works out, we actually get the keys physically tonight, which means we can actually start prepping for it. So it just got a little crazier. I'm prepping for AutoCon, also still working Tuner Crane and all the other brands. Now trying to sign for this building and then get it cleaned up and start that one at the same time. Whew. Okay, you guys ready? Let's just teleport to the office. Okay, here we go. Woo.
Like a map with no ocean.
Come to me. Guys, I got some news. Come closer, come closer.
What's the news?
Come closer, come closer. We got the building.
Oh, let's get it.
So in about an hour, we should be getting the keys.
Oh my.
We should be getting the keys. So this is a make it or break it.
Okay.
So that means within, probably I would say next week, we would be able to start. As you can see, the most important thing for me right now is playing a little, like I want to set up forts, pylons, obstacle courses if possible, get some flags,
Drift.
wear like comfortable shoes so we don't hurt ourselves, get our guns ready. I really want to get the recoil.
The recoils are really nice.
So Iris wants a launch date. You guys ready for this? May 11th.
God damn. We got this. What the fuck?
Yeah, we
non-believers.
We can do it.
Then Monday is basically a fresh day. Operations as normal. We might be able to pull one of you guys off during the day, so you'll be on Tuner Crate hours over there with Iris, somebody, and then we'll just maybe rotate that, or unless someone likes that job over there with her, then you might end up just working with her all day, and I'll be all over between the three. Oh yeah. Are you excited, baby? Are you excited? How you feeling?
You realize my heart is gonna pop out of my chest. I'm like excited, nervous, excited. I feel like throwing up.
That's how I feel about Mondays.
I feel like throwing up. Holy crap.
So why are you so nervous?
Because we get the keys right now. I mean, do you understand? That's right now. Like I'm driving to get the key right now to this place. My project. Holy shit. This is real, bruh.
Hey guys, this is the complex when you drive in, so you guys know where you're going. We're gonna get apparently get a name on one of those signs, which is cool.
How are you so calm about this?
I've gotten like 4 or 5 buildings before.
I know, I was there with you.
I'm excited.
This is a little different.
I'm nervous that we might go broke. And then you go left over here. And then we're right next to Subway and Flame Broiler, which is handy. So it is a Vietnamese spot right here too. It's pretty cool. Check it out. This entire unit from this all the way here, and it keeps going, and it keeps going, and it keeps going, and right over there. Look at that. This place is freaking huge. This is the biggest place I've ever had. Oh my gosh. Here we are. Yo, check it out. Oh my gosh. This place is huge. Right, Aaliyah, you ready to go inside to see your new building?
Mommy.
Oh, mommy's over there. Mommy, look at this.
Mommy.
Oh my gosh, this place is huge. Holy crap, guys. This place is so big. Can't believe we're doing this. Ready, Aaliyah? Ready? High five. Go team, high five. Oh my gosh.
Shit, babe. I don't.
Huh? Oh my gosh. Aaliyah, this place is freaking giant. Oh my gosh.
Mommy.
How big it is.
Mommy.
Mommy's over there.
It's good
It
stuff.
was really me that took a long time. I had to sleep on it.
She's going crazy, guys. She's going crazy. Scared? You scared? You're scared. I got the keys. What? I got the keys. I got the keys. Tom, show us. So show us what you did. Ooh, dude, the contrast of white is very nice.
To all my homies out there grinding, you know what I'm saying? Legally and illegally.
They're packing tuna crates right now. But one thing I didn't show you earlier was some McGuire samples are in here. What? Nice, soda nice.
Make the car soda sexy.
Dang. Damn, there's so many things in here. Die cast. Another day, another vlog. Oh shit. And outroing the next day as usual. Last night was cool. What I didn't film was Krista came over. We vlogged a little bit. You guys saw a little bit of us playing with those kind of spinner balls. And then we toured them the new facility, which was cool. I scared the shit out of her in the locker room. And then we went to have dinner. So I didn't film that portion. But we had a lot of fun. If you guys want to see those portions I leave out, I'm typically on Snapchat a lot and Instagram. But I'm loving this vlogging life. It's hectic and crazy, but definitely freaking worth it. If you guys have any questions, leave me comments below. See you guys next time. Bye guys. Peace.